Hi guys, we're gonna be playing Battle Cats, and I already got to chapter 2, which I wanted to make a video about that, but I forgot. So I'm gonna try beating it with only like non-cat characters. Yeah, I found this. Yeah, I can't tell if Devil Cat is really a cat, but I know he is not a cat. He's just a stickman. Easy. That was just so easy. I'm gonna try beating all of it. Hold on, there's a moon. Let's see. I'm gonna go to moon. I wanna see how. Ooh, NASA. Now this has the zombie. Why did I say the? They are so hard. I tried like 3 times on it, but last time it was where was it? It was in Denmark, and then it moved to China. Where's China? It moved to China, wherever that is. Where? It moved to China, and then and now it's at NASA. Alright, let's go to the moon. Why'd you teleport like that? But I didn't even spawn any in yet. They just immediately have like 80. No, not 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. They have 4. That dude's so slow. Why did I click that? Oh, dang. Okay. Yeah, I can't tell if he's a cat or not. I can't tell if that face is a cat. But if it is, just tell me in the comments. Nom. like, bro, what the heck? I know the Devil Cat is like a version of the zombie cat. Huh. Bro, look at this. Baby boom. Spawn another one of these dudes. Why are they so quick, though? That's my question. Oh, dude, back up. Perfect. I was gonna say perfect because he just got launched right as he opened his eyes and mouth, like he was about to bite us, like he does like that. But then he walked back over. This is pretty easy. All I really have to do is just sit here. Just click buttons. I can make it to where it looks like this though. But I like this one. There's not even a back part because there's none in the back part. Why is little man Mister? Why is he so quick? The kangaroo, he's actually annoying. If we can beat the moon, I'll count that as like beating it. And then we'll see what these two can do. I just realized the beam is a cat, and I'm like, oh. Well, we're not using that anymore. Nom. This dude with this head, he's actually he looks kind of like the Rock. Bro literally has a what is that? What kind of blaster does he have? I can't tell. Look at the penguins. Those are pretty big penguins. And then the hippos are so slow. But the slowest thing is this head right here. How did he? What? I clicked it. on accident. Why did I do that? Why did I click that? Come on, get the kangaroo. If I can't beat this, then I'll, yeah, I can't. I'm gonna. We need to knock him back. That head is gonna one-top others. Like, there ain't no way that thing ain't gonna one-top our base. Oh my golly. Golly. I just wanna watch this. No, you can't end like this. Oh my, I clicked it. I can't. I'm just gonna watch this. So I was gonna watch, but then I'm like, nah, we're gonna adopt. Okay. Yeah, we're dead. We're dead. We're done. We're done for. Like, there ain't no way we aren't done. Okay. How's that so slow, though? I need to stop clicking it. Whenever the devil cat bites, he floats. What? Like, why did that? Yeah, we're gonna fail this. Yeah, we're dead. We're dead. Are we? Yeah, we're dead. Alright, I'm gonna go upgrade. I'm gonna make Mr. Super Mister. So, let's go to equipped. Is he in special? Yeah, he's in special catch. He's in special catch. Okay. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Okay. I forgot he has an RPG, and he spams it. Like, I'm not lying. He actually spams it. You'll see what I mean when I flip and show you. But it's insane. It's insane. This head is almost invincible. Boy, stop getting close to my base. Get RPG'd. Boom, boom. How's he, I'm gonna say, how's he fly black? What? It said, how do you fly black? That's great. How do you fly, I'll say it wrong again. Fly black. Oh my god. How does he fly back like that? Oh my gosh. Okay. We need more. This rock is gonna destroy me. I know it. Alright, RPG. How? That was perfect. He died right as I spawned another one in. How'd you die before I could even, like, do the other one? Okay. I'm not clicking it. I see it there, but I'm not clicking it. RPG. Okay. RPG again. When they team up, it's they destroy that. Huh? Oh. Okay. Alright. Hey, where'd my RPG go? My RPG person, he poofed. What? Huh? He poofed. There it is. We haven't done anything to his health right now. That's insane. Maybe I like that. That's my question. RPG. Dude, we're actually holding them back right now. They take all. We're gonna take forever trying to get this rock. The rock or whatever. But in chapter 2, all their money goes up. And I have only one uber super rare. I'll show that if we lose this round. That's gonna take a while. Oh golly. I need him. Oh no. Why is our base shaking? That's my question. Our base, whenever it gets hit, it shakes. RPG. What? Okay. We got gorilla, hippo, the rock, and then the penguin. So then, I about clicked the fire button for the laser beam. Yeah, we're dead. We ain't surviving this. How do we kill the kangaroo? That's this. I don't know how we did that. That's my question. How do we do that? No! What's in the thousands? We need to fight back. How far is his range on that? Oh, okay. All my hope is for the little dude. Yeah, we're gonna die. Yeah. There's these bear things. I don't know where or why. They're like invincible. I did not mean to click that. Alright, let's where's I going again? Look, if you come to my special cats, I don't really want to show it, but like I hate this person. I hate this character. Look at this. She's an actual tech. I don't know. Alright, my uber super rare, I fully upgraded her. She took forever. But her attack it takes like 10 years. Like, I can't even lie. It's kind of like R2-D2. Yeah, I like this person. I can't tell, really. I like this one better. Because then this one, but whenever I spawn this one, guess what? Whenever it stops to do the laser thing, you could get a cat inside of it. What the? Okay then, not showing that. Oh, we can do a fish. This was the, lizard cat. It looks like a mini Godzilla cat. I clicked equipped. What is it? Upgrade. Okay, man. What the heck? I want to know a cow one. The cow one. I want to know what that one. Again. Let's go. You know what? Oh. No, we ain't gonna beat that. Let's go to Russia. Let's do Russia. Russia it is. Okay. They already spawning them in like that. There's like, you're in. Bro, oh my god. I can't even spawn my in. But that uber super rare and the other one, like her money increased. I didn't know that. Okay. I'm about to say, I saw that. I gotta sneeze. Okay. These little dudes are quick. Then whenever you look at the gang cats or whatever. Ooh, they are so fast. I clicked it again. I need to stop doing that. Bonk. We're just like, look, he's floating. He floats whenever he attacks. I like how the stickmen are just still fighting even though they're fighting their own friends. Just like, still attack their own friends. Still attack. They're fighting us. It's like the zombies fighting against the zombies. That's basically what it is right now. But oh my, look at our money. Yippee! That's 19,000. Hey, can we upgrade that cow now? Let's see if we can upgrade the cow. Giraffe. Ooh, bird. I've never done this one. I've never done bird cut. I can't tell if this is a cat though. Cause you see the first one? That's a cat. Then here, oh, I can see kind of a cat. Like the eyes, and the ears, and the mouth. Can't you see that? I need this. Cause if I wanna use her, she costs like 5,000. No, not 5,000. I don't want that. Look, I'm gonna show you how much she costs. They go up, and then look, she costs like that. So I need the wallet thing. But then I'm gonna check her first version, and then money goes down. That's so confusing. All right. I wonder. Tell me if this is a cat. Just tell me, because I will use it in another video of me not doing all cats and just using others than cat, because I will do it. But yeah. Can we upgrade it? I want to know if we can upgrade it. No, I guess not. Definitely not. Yeah, let's go to super. Oh, I forgot about that. I forgot about this part. I don't like that. Rare cats. Go to rare cats. Necromancer. Shaman. I never used them. But this is definitely, yeah, that's the tin cat. This is the rover cat. Yeah. But did y'all see the rover cat? Or not the rover cat, the cat gang? See it? But yeah. That's all I really wanted to show for today. Well, bye guys.